Hi. So, as you have noticed, WWE has released several superstars and staff. So, as you have noticed, we will give you the full list and quick explanations of those released staffs. So, as you can see, we have 15 total staff that's been released, and it's part of a wider budget cut or strategy shift. And you can actually see in here that we have a lot more to discuss in this thing. So here are the 15 superstars released. So for the first one, we have Braun Strowman, one of the 15 released so far. We have Shayna Baszler, which is another to be released, and is she's actually an ex UFC star that hasn't been able to cement her place in the main roster, but now she's done that. Now we also have in here other options like Dakota Dai, as well as Kaden Carter, Katana Chance, Cora Jade, Gigi Dolan, Eddie Thorpe, Riley Osborne, Jakara Jackson, Wolfgang, Joe Kofi, Mark Kofi, Ora Mensa, and Javier Bernal. So as you can see, here are some explanations of this one. For Dakota Kai, it's the same scenario as the only gold she held both in NXT and as a part of the Damage Control, were two runs with the respective versions of the Women's Tag Team Championship, while the other members of the stable, specifically her former tag partner Io Sky, claimed singles gold. So we have in here the actual arsenal for the new WWE superstars that we have for May 2025. So in here, I will ask you which really shocked you the most and do you think more cuts are coming? If you want, you can like and subscribe if you want more WWE news. Thank you so much for watching.